one out of Chinatown. Let's thank him personally.
You look all fucked up, man. We're gonna fuck you up even
He's
more.
alone. His little doggy's not around to help him.
Yeah, where is that fucking mutt of yours? Off chasing fire trucks? Or is he off humping some guy's leg?
Go get him, boy.
Come on, boy. I can't do this on my own. Okay, Shadow, stay close.
This city's gonna burn! Hear me, copper!
Good dog.
Here, doggy, doggy.
Come on, let's go. Come over, right? Change my mind. Straight on. I don't feel very emotional.
No!
It hurts. Reloading. What's your tail out there, Shadow? Get in there, boy, go! Fuck! We're fucked! This one's mine! You're dead! Reloading! Get out! Get out! Get out! I don't feel very immortal.
Bitch, you're about to get executed!
Okay, boy. Gotta stick together here. Gonna need your help here, Shadow.
Run now, like... Down!
Shadow! Fuck's Where are you going? Hey, another piece!
Have you seen the news? Do you know how many times I had to show my ID to get here? Jack, people are looking for you.
Yeah. All the wrong people.
Jesus, Jack. You look terrible.
Used to.
My God, your shoulder.
It's nothing.
This is serious. What the hell happened to you? Where's Shadow? Here, boy. What have you two been up to?
He's always been a poor judge of character.
You need to end this, Jack. Whatever all this is, reach out to the department. Let them help you.
There is no department. Not anymore. Everything on TV, it's a lie. You want the truth?
Bringing you the latest
I'll tell you the
developments
truth.
on the hostage situation.
This is Marla Bales, GC News, reporting from Temple Tower. We have just learned that a vicious gang of armed thugs have taken a number of hostages on the 15th and 97th floors. We have yet to hear a list of their demands or any other form of contact. The attackers interrupted a live broadcast debate hosted by Julian Temple, the owner of Temple Networks, on the increase of violent crime within the city. Asshole! What the hell? Excuse me! Do you know who I am? You did get that.
I knew things were bad when I heard over the squawker that Captain Ines was in charge of the scene.
I'm still not getting an answer. For the love of God, someone get me talking to these guys.
Guys around the precinct called Ines the Shark. Seemed to me he was swimming backwards and drowning.
No, Detective Slade, we don't need Vice down here
Yeah,
interfering.
it looks like you need all the help you can get. Where's the negotiator? Where's SWAT?
Look, I'm waiting on a cup. Listen, Slade, I'm doing the negotiating.
Doesn't negotiation require a two-way conversation? How many are up there? Do you know? How many hostages? How many hostage takers?
Do we have any shooters covering the balcony? Look, we're gonna sit tight and wait for backup. Understand?
No! Gee! Fuck! Listen! These fuckers don't want to talk in this! Wait's over! You gonna make a move or not?
We'll hold back, establish communication lines, and listen to the demands, and then we'll wait for backup. This is Police Captain Ines. Please pick up the phone
To
and
hell
try
with this.
Send SWAT to back me up if they ever show. I'm giving you a direct order, Detective. You go in there, I'm taking your shield and your gun.
Here. You point it in that direction, and you pull this to make it go bang. Feel free to point it at a bad guy, if you ever end up facing one. With the resources at GCPD disposal, a building like Temple Tower could never be secured. It's too big, too open. Whatever these guys had planned, they'd planned it well.
PCP! PD! Looks like you lost!
Should have waited for backup. The guy was carrying an earpiece. I figured that it would come in handy. Give me some advance warning. Hey, it's okay. I'm a cop. Any word on 15?
No, but I managed to see a dozen of them before they shut down the security cameras. Probably got about 6 or so hostages. And from 97 on up, I saw a lot more.
The 97th is the TV studio, right? What's above that?
That's Mr. Temple's penthouse. I think some of them got in through the private helipad on top of the building. They locked off all the elevators, but I managed to keep one open. It'll take you to the 15th floor.
Okay, it's all right. Just keep sending any civilians out to the barricade, and then get yourself to safety. What?
People are dying up there! Please! Please help them!
Unclear whether negotiations with the hostage takers have begun. Reports suggest there are at least 6 hostages being held on the 15th floor at an unknown
I'd heard of the Union before. They were a blue-collar sledgehammer, out to smash every brick between the haves and the have-nots. But even with members overflowing the old docks and scrapyards in Milton, they never really had a plan. And this was too organized. I didn't buy it.
Shut the fuck up! Maybe you should take it all.
Julian Temple is believed to be held on the 97th floor. The exact number and location of other hostages cannot be determined at this time. Reports
Should've run, fucker.
may have gained access via Temple's private helipad on top of the building. We'll bring you more news as the situation develops.
He's over there! Quit moving!
I don't have time for this shit.
Hey! You see him? Uh-oh. Got trouble here, boys! Eat bullets! Well, well! The fight! Ah, guns at me! I hit him! I thought I was... Come on! Hey!
Fuck you!
Motherfuckers can't ignore us now. Not unless they want more blood on their hands. We're splattered all over the sidewalk. Damn right.
I thought I was the
Jordan's got something to say. People are gonna listen.
Stay on the ground.
Shut the fuck up, suit! I fucking mean it, I'll shoot you!
Oh shit! Oh Jesus! Oh God!
GCPD!
Down on the ground! Go!
Shit, what a mess. Damn!
One's mine.
Move your ass, Jack.
Got trouble here, boys! Oh, you're a big fucker! Did you see him? Need a bandit? Fuck that horse! Going for cover! Come on, boys! Let's go!
Lights out!